Kuliah ni fibro, kejemput nam ta KHUBOR Laitkam, tekadon kowe ke post ke balat ke berdaya jongka data entry operator DEO ke berdaya po Neigrihms kadai contractual basis. Itu ke buku apna apply, sampai bahai, sengap bahai kene ki jingnon kam ke berdaya ke post, teka ke post kadon tangkawai number of vacant post kadon tangkawai, te qualification and experience ke bala apan apply gilong. Gila PYNDAP ya ka bachelor degrees in computer application ke David pulih ya ka BCA dan yang ta lane ka IT lane computer science from a recognized institution lane university mukila tangi BCA lane computer science bachelor in computer science dan kibadai ya ka bachelor in IT tangi kita mau kibala apan apply ni teknik post and desirable ability to handle Microsoft Office, Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Teka age limit kadai hadu live host name dan ka Tulop pada shipnai kadai live koi hajar fix marba kadai ka contractual basis. Application at be fill online the Google form link. Teka ni ka Google form link sa bu apo description sa klik hatu apo description sa check sa PYNDAP online beda PYNDAP ka Google form link with all the necessary information PYNDAP information baro. The last date of the submission of application will be 10 days from the publication of this advertisement. So, kanek advertisement lapan mi kandai tarik August te kanong shipos ni tak mulba kan last date kandai kat kandai tarik jong manai August. 10 days within the publication of this advertisement. Tak mulba kan last date kandai kat kandai tarik jong manai August nam ta gitu ki bakwa ban apply nam ta kanek post DEO kepada po Neigrihms. The post is purely contractual and the appointment will be initially up to 31st March 2024. Mawah kadai hidup live tarik jong March arjarap sau which will be renewed in renewing on yearly basis depending on the performance of the candidate with and continuation of the project. Eligible candidate will be intimidated through the Neigrihms website. Kamau itu kiba apply take list nam ta jong kiba long eligible kin sapen mi be poko website jong neigrihms.gov.in sakamau wan check be poko website. And only the eligible candidate will be allowed for the interview. Tang kibalong eligible insya nam taka interview. Eligible candidate are required to bring all the required document. Dalam penmi kata kalis kihaban ra iki dokumen baro, ra iki original several photocopies and one recent passport size photograph. Kibom ra iki original insya reject by direct. Nam I by late by one date of determination of eligibility will be the last date of submission of online. Okay, for any queries. Nam tagi jeng tip bakamnya sa kontak ini please contact Dr. Santosh Priyan Assistant Professor Community Medicine co-investigator mobile number 8730916568. Nam tagi tu kwa kali bah kwa ban tip kamne nam tagane sa kontak kini nomor ul baik ni nomor pranyo liner dai we indru san rupra. Baru jeng tip on dapat ka Google link form yang sabu apa description sa klik nang tu itu ke badon ka qualification mark experience wan apply nam takane ka post DEO apa Neigrihms. Nang ini jeng tip kuliah